How to recover Call of Duty mobile account on Facebook. This tutorial will guide you through the process of recovering your lost Call of Duty mobile account. Whether you've lost access to a Facebook account, this guide covers all of the methods you need to know to retrieve your account. Follow the steps below for a clear path to account recovery. Before we start, make sure you remember that your account is synced with Facebook. If you are not sure, let's proceed to the tutorial to check if it is synced with Facebook or not. So let's get started. So first, open the Call of Duty mobile app. As you can see, mine is already open. While we are in the Call of Duty mobile app, tap the settings icon which is located at the top right of the screen. While we are in the settings tab, tap the link button which is located at the top right of the screen. The notification appears. From here, just tap the Facebook button to link your account. You just have to do the credentials to sync it with Facebook. If you retrieve it and it has a progress account, it means it is successful. If it is not, the result is either you just link your Facebook with your current progress instead of the old one, or your progress on the old account is on the guest and not synced with Facebook. Either way, that's a result of not recovering your old progress in Call of Duty Mobile. Recovering a lost Call of Duty mobile account can be straightforward if you follow the appropriate steps based on your account type. Always ensure you have your login credentials handy and be prepared to verify your identity when prompted. If you encounter difficulties, contacting customer support is your best option for resolution. Once your account is recovered, consider linking it to a social media platform to prevent future losses. Happy gaming!